Today I'm going to show how to make these delicious banana cookies. You will need 3 bananas, half cup of butter, 3/4 of a cup sugar, 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cloves. First, set your oven to 350 degrees. Put a half cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar in your mixing bowl. Mix it until it's light and fluffy. Add 1 large egg, mix it until it's light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, add 3 bananas and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Smash it all up like you are making mashed potatoes. Then incorporate it into your butter, sugar and egg mixture. After you whisk it together, add 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a half teaspoon of ground cloves. Mix all the ingredients together. On your baking sheet, make the cookies about a tablespoon size of cookie dough and bake them in your oven about 13 minutes or until the cookies are golden brown. Unfortunately, I lost the sound of the video, but let me know in the comments. What do you think? Did my husband like the cookies or not?